will show you about how to make Victorian door. First of all, we have to make the line. Click in this position, drag to the upper position around 2.4 meter, and set the height of this building. Set the height of this door around 900 millimeter, and direct to the down position, and we can get the three line over there. And also click for the triple line and select offset tool, offset it inside around 60 millimeter. Select the line, click from this point until this point, and select the eraser and delete this line, and it will automatically remove the middle plane over there. Then we can click this plane, select the push tool, push it to the back around 120. Then triple click, right click and make group, and then select the rectangle, click from this position, this corner, then we can push it to the back around 40 millimeter, and just triple click in this object, right click, make group, and select this object, click this surface, select offset, offset it inside around 100 millimeter, and offset it inside around 20 millimeter. And now we can select this line with both of line. We can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Then we can type 5/ and we can get this line. And now we can push it to the back. Okay, and push it to the back also, and push it to the back. And now we can delete some unnecessary line with using eraser tool. We can delete one by one. So you have to be patient to delete this every single little line over there, and also this line and this line. Okay, then we can get this result, and then we can click this plane, select the push tool, push it to the back around 5 millimeter, enter. And now we can get the result of the progress. Then we can select the rectangle again, click from this position and until click to this position. Okay, then we can click the surfaces, push it to the front around 10 millimeter, enter. Triple click, right click and make group. And also we can adjust the glass material, and then we can we have to select all. Okay, now we can get this back side, but we have to make it the same from the front side. Click this surface, click the push tool, push it to the back around 20 millimeter. Okay, then we can select this door leaf only, right click and make component, create, and select the move, press Ctrl on our keyboard, click on this object to this position and select the mirror tool, click this red axis, and please make the line here. Click this object, select move, select for this corner and click to this position. And now we can delete this line, right click and erase, select this object, select object and select outer shell. Okay, now it will be double-sided door leaf, so you can see. Okay, then now we can make another element. We can make the handle, door handle here, just a simple door handle. We can double click, make group, and we can select the metal. We can select the circle here, click to this point. Okay, then we can push it to the front. Okay, triple click, right click and make group. And now we can select the rectangle, and then we can push it to the front again, triple click, make group, and just select move, place to the another position. You can place it in another position, and now we can make the another element. We can make the lock case. Okay, this is the lock case of the door, and now you can also make the little look space in here. Okay, then you can make it all to be one group and select the move, press Ctrl, place to this another position, and select a mirror. Okay, then select a move, place to this position. Okay, and we can get this complete door. Now we can make it more logic. Okay, then now we can we have to make it group and select a move, let's do this position. Okay, then we can make the another element. We can make the door, we can make the wall element over there to make it more representative presentation. We have to push it to the back around 150 millimeter. Triple click, right click, and make group, and select a move. We can type 15. And now we can make the another brick material with using the brick element over there, and then we can also add more variation of this door side. We can draw it manually. We can draw it manually with using this method. Okay, so you can follow my way to make this door sided. Okay, you can draw it manually and make it artistic one to make sure that this is finished and good on aesthetic. Okay, then you can assign with the another material over there with this material maybe. Okay, maybe this one. So you can continue, or you can modify this wall and the window. This is about the simple Victorian door, or if you want to make the another one, you can add the element here. You can push it to the another side, make group, and also you can select move and place to the another position. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.